Sandy has put us into a pickle. We're lost in the bush here. And because Sandy thinks this is the route, you know.
Who's in front, dear?
I'm trying to get us out of here.
Yeah, okay. Keep going.
Gosh, we can hardly see the sun. And we shouldn't be here. Now, speaking of dogwood, dear, what about dogwood now? Okay, which way? Figured if I hit the low ground, I'll hit water. Oh, thought that was a snake. Well, I think we might see a bit of a path there or something. Ouch, watch your head. Oh boy. Yeah. I think we're getting somewhere. You okay, dear? Yep. I'm not leaving you without me. I'm not leaving you behind.
Well, there's nobody to look after you.
Really? Is that what you think? Oh my God, I think we're at the beach. That was bloody ridiculous. Oh.
Alright, so now let's go on to the proper path and get back down.
Well, you know what, Sandy? If you would have brought that goddamn tablet,
Oh my God.
we would know.
Here, fly.
Yeah, I want to go to this beach now, okay? See, you're always making the rules and you get us lost.
Not negative.
Yeah, who do you guys believe?
You let them all away.
The monument at Georgetown on Great Exuma Island. As you can see, this huge stone beacon was made hundreds of years ago so ships could see it from miles away and knew to come and get salt. Below, you can see a large flat area that seawater would go into at high tide. Short rock partitions were built to trap the water and evaporate, leaving only the salt behind. Years ago, the kids made our name here from those rocks that made up the walls, as did many others. Every season that we visit Georgetown, we make the big trek up to the monument to take in the beautiful views and look for our name. And you know what? It's still here.
Just my luck. We get back from a 5 mile, and I don't mean kilometer, 5 mile walk, and the dinghy is full of water, salt water. What happened was high tide was starting to come in, and the dinghy got sideways and filled up with water. The waves kept crashing. Anyways, I was left to the task of pumping all the water out. Unfortunately, Sandy just cleaned the dinghy.